Okay, today, shaking it up a little bit, I'm going to be setting up a static website with Caddy web server on Ubuntu in Linode. So, where am I going to get started here? I think I can bring over a Linode dashboard that I've already got set up, and let's start with that. Okay, so we're going to create a Linode. I want to use Ubuntu because that's what I'm most familiar with. Let's use, 22. Region Atlanta, Dallas. Sure, let's go with Atlanta. Why not? And I'm going to go with just the smallest box we got. Linode label. Let's go static. We're going to go Caddy Shack. Add tags. Sure. Caddy. Static. Stream. Is this going to show my password? No. Okay, cool. Awesome. Let's see. I want to add an SSH key, I think, which means I need to get my SSH key. Okay. And this is probably going to open up like a SSH public key. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to come over here. And we're going to print. No, we're going to do ls.ssh. And then, cool. I think I want that public key. So cat .ssh id.pub. That's going to be my public key. Hopefully, I'm not revealing any private information. I don't think so yet. Label Austin's work laptop. No, Austin's ThinkPad. There you go. There is my public key. We're going to add that. Oh, labels only contain letters, numbers, and dashes. Okay. Austin's ThinkPad. Cool. With my SSH key, do I need to put in a password? Might be a good idea. So I'm going to go in my other browser over here and add something to my password manager. Maybe generate one. Yeah, let's do that. Let's generate a secure password. Copy that. No one should be able to see it if I paste it. Awesome. And then I better save that. Password. Linode. Root password. Cool. Okay. Let's keep going. Attach a VLAN. I have no idea what that is, actually. So that's fun. VLANs are used to create private L2 virtual local area network between Linodes. Don't think I need that. Backups. Backup probably don't need. Private IP. I think I do want that. Private IP. Maybe I don't need a private IP. Probably just need a public IP. Cool. let's go. That looks like $30 a month. Is that right? Oh, dedicated. I could probably even go shared. Let's go super small. Check that out. $5 a month. Awesome. Let's create that Linode, please. Okay, let's add that to LastPass. Let's not add that yet. It looks like I've got this SSH access should be good for me. Lish console via SSH. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Is that as easy as it looks? Now I'm in my thing. I should be able to SSH in. Maybe because it's not set up yet, it might take a couple of minutes. Oh, no, it's running. Okay, cool. Cool. This is still... SSH connection, port connection refused. Oh, this is something new. Okay. Ah, cool. Look at that. I am in. With my SSH key, I was able to access. I didn't need to do any sort of password authentication. So that's cool. And then I can see that I am in not my local computer. I'm SSH'd into this remote computer, which means I can now start configuring Caddy. So let's do that. I should have root access. I can go ahead and update my system. I know that we're using Ubuntu, so everything is the same as the tutorial that we're doing. It's going to install a bunch of things. Yes, please. This is me hacking into the matrix. Cool. Once I have that, I think I download this entire thing. And that would be to update, what is it? The Caddy. Does that download Caddy? I don't think that actually downloads Caddy. I think that sets up the whatever source folders where I would download Caddy from. But I could be wrong. All right. Come on, baby. 98%. Let's go. There we go. Whoa. Okay. Restart system, which is not expected kernel version. Okay. You should consider rebooting. Okay, I consider rebooting. Which services should be restarted? Never had to do this before, but I'm just gonna hit OK. Nothing needs to be restarted. No VM guests are running. Okay, let's just exit and get back into the server. And I think we're fine. So let's paste in. Oh, how am I going to be able to paste this? Can I just copy everything? Let's copy that and paste it. Cool. It's working. You should consider rebooting. Okay, fine. We'll do this. Reboot everything, please. Let's exit. Let's go back to my server, and this is the easy way to reboot, I imagine. So, rebooting. Cool. Back up and running. Should be all good to go now. Let's get back into our server via SSH. SSH is, by the way, if you're not using SSH yet, I would recommend it. Because you basically just throw your public SSH key onto a server, and then anytime you try to connect, you get a connection refused. No, I think this should get me in. There you go. Cool. Yeah, then I can just SSH in without having to enter a password or anything. So let's see if this is going to work. Looks like it worked. Great. The kernel issue is gone. Let's run random curl commands from the internet. Great. That gives us, what did that do? It looks like do curl. We get something from Cloudsmith, which is the publisher of Caddy. We get their GPG key, and we pipe that to this T command, which I think adds it to this file on my computer. So if I do cat/etc/ where was that? apt/trusted /caddy, we see the same thing. Excellent. That's what that was doing. Downloading and printing. So then we're going to do another curl. And we're going to say, cool, grab the source files from Caddy server. I don't know. Do a bunch of stuff. Cool. That gets us set up to then install Caddy. And then here we can actually do the install. So install Caddy, please. In release is not signed. The public key is not available. That seems a bit off. I guess we can. It feels like that failed. Yeah, definitely failed. Does this all have to be one command? I don't think so. Definitely not. And we definitely got that working. So I think just this last command may have just failed. Okay, maybe I also sometimes need to get back into the server. Nope, that wasn't it. I want to install Caddy, please. Ooh, that's a problem. Okay. I wonder if it's an issue because I'm on such a new version of Ubuntu. What happens if I migrate? Okay, that lets me migrate to a different region. That's cool. I want to. Maybe I'll try creating a new Linode. Okay, let's try this one more time. Let's go Linode label. I don't want Debian. I want Ubuntu. Maybe something a little bit more specific, closer to this tutorial that we're following. Let's do Ubuntu 18. Region, Atlanta's fine. Caddy Daddy. All right, we're going to do Caddy static streams. Cool. Enter my new password. I'm going to grab that same password as I had before. Let's go Linode. I'm going to throw that in there. Going to add that SSH key, rad. And that should be good. So let's try this one now. Different SSH command once that is up and running. So let's exit out of there. Yep, slightly different location. Cool. Gotta wait for that Linode to come up. Still provisioning. What am I going to do in the meantime? Oh, really? Okay, well, it's running anyway. Okay, let's SSH in. This is going to maybe not like it the first time. Come on. Let's go. Connection refused. Nope. There you go. Cool. I'm into my new Linode, and I need to do all these things again. Okay, let's do that. That's going to take a little while. You get better at this while I wait. Burp, burp, burp. Come on, let's do this. No! Okay, 1.1 meters. Excellent. Still waiting. Oh, there we go. Yes, please install all those things. There we go. Gonna keep going on that for a little bit. Do some of this while I wait. Press space to restart. Okay. Q. Yo, come on. 1.8 meters. 2.1. Let's go. I have no idea how to do this. No, please. Why is this so difficult? And why is this taking so long? Come on now. What's whoa, that okay. Definitely Q. Yes. Nope. Okay. New record. That's great. Good start. Okay, what are we doing here? New version. The version installed currently has local modifications. What do you want to do? Install package maintainers version. Please. All right, come on, 97%. There we go. 100% pre-configuring packages. Doing a bunch of stuff. What am I listening to? Don't like this one. All right, cool. Looks like we're all done. Excellent. Let's go back here. Install that public key. And then let's try. Why am I getting the same thing? Hopefully it's actually going to work. Oops. I hit VS Code is not what I wanted. Okay. Let's see if we can install Caddy this time. Cannot be verified because the public key is not available. Okay. I'm still getting an error. So, time to see what's going on here. No, update. Those aren't fixed. Blah 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 blah. To add these keys, run the following commands. Okay. Let's help. App is telling us the following keys are missing. That and that. Notice that these are listed multiple times. Each unique key only needs to be added once. Okay, cool. So what is it saying? Repository. Any version in release is not signed. Therefore is disabled by default. See app secure man page. Unable to locate package Caddy. Sudo apt key add key server Ubuntu. Yeah, it's not an Ubuntu key though. Maybe I should actually look at the Caddy server instructions. Server Ubuntu. There we go. Caddy server. Learn how to get started. Please run the demo. Try the API. Caddy. Let's go. Where is installed Caddy? There we go. This should get us going. Let's. In that case, I'm going to exit out of here and SSH into my other box. There we go. And let's try this. Cool. That's already done. This is exactly the same thing that I was doing, unless I missed something. Okay. Okay. App update. This looks about the same. And fingers crossed. Okay, now it's actually installing Caddy. That's great. I don't know what I was doing different. No services. Cool. All good. So we should be able to see now. What is this? CentOS? No, don't need that. We should be able to see now the Caddy version. Awesome. We have a Caddy version. Great. Which means I can go back to my Linodes and I can delete this one. Let's delete that one because I'm logged into the other one, Caddy Shack. Great. And what am I doing next? Here. So I need to actually set up Caddy. Caddy serves websites using HTTP and HTTPS protocols. So you need to allow access to. Okay. Sounds like the right thing to do. Rules updated. Great. And then I can verify my changes. Status inactive. I don't think that looks quite right. Okay. Let's figure this one out. UFW. What's a static server versus a non-static one? So that's a good question. A non-static server is going to have like some sort of scripting language that can take a request and do some sort of dynamic data processing. Take like PHP or Node.js or Go or Python or anything like that. A static server is a server that still has some scripting or programming languages installed, but they're designed to serve static files. So think like if I have just an HTML file or just a CSS or JavaScript file, static servers are designed to take a request, find the file that should be handling that request, and just like grab it and send it to the response. So they're going to be more designed to work faster in that case. So Caddy, I think, can be configured to be a good static file server. Some of the most common are going to be Nginx and Apache. But I wanted to use Caddy because one, I'd never used it before, and two, it actually can automate the process of installing an SSL service or an SSL certificate and renewing it. And if you don't know what an SSL certificate, it is a requirement in order to serve traffic over an encrypted connection, or HTTPS or TLS. So most websites, almost every website you go to today is going to have encrypted traffic or an encrypted connection. And that's important for security reasons. And these days, Google will prioritize sites with HTTPS. And it's just a best practice. And these days, you can get an SSL certificate for free through things like Caddy Server. So getting one and provisioning it isn't the hardest thing in the world, but having it done automatically is really awesome. So now I need to know why this is not working for me. Not enough args. Okay. Let's see. I guess I maybe need to enable it. UFW enable. Is that going to be enough? Command may disrupt existing SSH connections. I think if it's not enabled, cool. Is that going to work? Cool. Looks like it's active. Great. Anywhere port 80 and port 443. I think that is set up. So they have OpenSSH. I think I'm good here. Okay, cool. Let's add some web content. So now I've got my Caddy version, Caddy software installed. And what is this command going to do? Okay, so sudo make directory P, I forget what the flag does. I think that may say to, if the subdirectories don't exist, to make them. Parents, yeah, no error if existing, make parent directories as needed. That's right. So we can say ls, what was that? So we can say like ls slash var slash www slash html slash example.com. And there's nothing in there. It's an empty directory. Makes sense. We just made it. Cool. Next thing we need to do is create a test page. So here we're going to generate some HTML called Caddy test page and says hello world in example.html at index.html or example.com at index.html. Cool. So we've done that. Configure Caddy server. Okay. So here I need to actually create a Caddy file. Add your host name and web root to the Caddy configuration. Use an editor of your choice. Replace port 80 with your domain name. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have to do some things on the other screen to actually set up my domain name. So let's see. I need to create, I feel like, yeah, I need to create this Caddy file. And okay, what is my IP address? Let's exit. No, I don't think we need to exit out of here. I can just go to my Linode instance, grab the IP address, and put that into, I think, an A record. So let's save that. So I just created a domain at caddy.austingill.com. Whoa, whoa, why is this working? Did not expect that to be working already. Okay, that's kind of cool. The web server's working. Now make it work for you. Caddy is ready to server side. Point your domains, DNS record at this machine. I think I already have that set up. I already have this domain. Edit this file. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Let's go here. Let's do sudo nano this file. Cool. Okay. This is what I have to edit, and I'm not sure what I need to do here, even though it just told me. Replace 80 with your domain name. Okay, so we go down here, and we're going to say this is caddy.austingill.com. It seems like that's all. So Control X, hit Y to save, and then enter to save to the same file. And we can check that with /etc/caddy/caddy file. We can see, yes, my changes were persisted. Awesome. Next things next. Where was that? Oh, okay. So set the root directory. Okay, that follows that logic. And then this one, I replaced that and changed the site root to this. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, so I need to change this other thing as well. So we're going to go perp, 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 replace that. Make sure, let's see, file server, that looks the same. All the traffic is going to go to HTML, which is fine, except that we have everything at example.com. So I think I'm actually going to change this to caddy.austingill.com. Cool. We'll save that. Control X, Y, enter, and then we will move slash /var/www/html/example to /var www/html caddy.austingill.com. Cool. Var www HTML. Looks like we have it in the right place. And we'll do the same and see that there is a file in there. Cool. Do the same thing and see what the contents of that file is. Oops. See what the contents of that file is. Cool. And let's see here. So I think I'm at the home stretch here. Restart Caddy. Verify the instance is running. Cool. Open a web browser and visit your domain. Okay. Caddy.austingill.com. Not quite. Okay. You don't have to look at a slanted page anymore. Remember to do. It's also powerful reverse proxy. That didn't work. It's okay. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Man, they have a really nice onboarding process, I'll be honest. What is this? Copy that. Paste that here. Okay. Loaded. Caddy service. Active running since 12 minutes ago. A bunch of information that I can't really see. Okay, let's see what the caddy file is saying. .etc / what was it again? Caddy file. Caddy caddy file. Okay, so the root should be serving content from this folder or this directory. And right now it should be just a plain file server, so that part's right. Upload your site's file there. I uploaded them to a different file, but that shouldn't matter. We've uploaded this. We've replaced 80 with my domain. I've changed the site root to that. And I am reloading this caddy service. Let's try getting out of that. Oh, how about that? There we go. Static site is working. So this is cool because then I can actually deploy any of the static sites that I've built, such as the Twitter battle banners thing. So let's. Do I want to do that again? No, I really just wanted to see if I could get this to work. Okay. Well, since I'm here, might as well. Okay, so what am I going to do? I need to move files into that folder. So let's do that whole process again. No, let's change that. Let's do the same thing and say, add a record. Let's say battle banners. Battle banners. Okay, so we have a new domain at battle-banners.austingill.com. I think this shouldn't do anything yet. Does this? Ah, that's so cool. That is so cool that HTTPS is already set up for me. And is it going to redirect traffic? No, it's not. That's also weird that Oh, it is going to redirect traffic for me. Awesome. Must have been a caching issue. Excellent. Just takes a minute. Okay, so let's do the same thing. Let's CD to streams, battle banners, npm run build. So this is going to build my site for production. Cool. And then I should have my dist folder, which is great. And I'm going to, how do I upload? I forget how to do this. SSH, upload folder. Upload folder to remote server. Here we go. SCP, that's right. Secure copy path to my folder, and then my username, and then the path to that folder. Awesome. That's what I'm going to do. So I need to create that folder. So let's SSH into my box. Linode. Take just a minute. Why is it taking so long? I don't know. Oh, hello. Dab, very unusual that this is not working right now. Caddyshack is up and running. SSH commands are in. Ooh, I actually have some information about it now. Look at that. That's cool. It is the same command, isn't it? All right. All right, different approach. Let's try the Linode console. What is this? Localhost login. Ah, what is this? Weblish. Glish. Okay. I guess I do that, and then I can come here and paste it. Don't know what the deal is here. So let's see. Network, cool. Storage, cool. I've got I've got some storage configuration backups. I don't have backups enabled, but $2 a month, that ain't bad. Daily backups, 2 to 7 day old backups, and okay. Been rebooted. Okay. Okay. Why can't I get in though? Oh, shoot. I know what the problem is. I didn't allow for SSH access in my firewall. I enabled the firewall and I didn't allow SSH access. Okay, that's going to be an interesting. It's going to be an interesting predicament. I guess I have to launch this console and try and get in through here somehow. Okay. Looks like kind of the same thing. It's always some mistake that I'm making. Okay. SSH access. That's not going to be helpful. Oh, that's cool. Very easy to resize it. It's pretty rad. Now, let's see. Localhost user login. No. Root? Okay, that should work. Great. Now I just need my root password. Burp, copy that password. Let's go here. Paste it, hopefully. I may not have pasted it. No, I didn't. Root, and let's do that. Fingers crossed. Oh, I'm so screwed. Okay. What are my options here? SSH is not available. Can I modify the network access here? IP transfer, IP sharing, add an IP address. Ooh. That's not going to be it though, because I still have the actual firewall is not running. Oh, I failed myself miserably because I didn't follow this. UFW. What is the port? I'm going to open SSH 22. Interesting. Okay. I may need to start from scratch. Okay. But that was really easy, at least. Okay, this is a lot. I'm gonna have to go through another time. Cool. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. Probably I'm not gonna need this, but let's keep it just in case. Dang, that's a bummer. Okay, let's just start from scratch. Cool. Caddyshack, I'm going to keep your name because I like it, and I'm gonna have to delete this one, unfortunately. Delete that Linode. Let's create a new one. Let's go with Ubuntu 22. Select a region. Atlanta's fine. I wonder if I have to select the region. But we're going to go with the smallest server they got. We're going to call it that. We're going to add our tags and root password. Why didn't that root password access work? I don't know. But let's see. Copy that password, throw it in there. We'll add our SSH key. We'll keep that the same. And we'll hit that Linode. Cool. New IP address. Great. Okay, what do I need to do again here? Actually, I like the caddy server instructions. That seemed to actually work. Get started. Install on Ubuntu. Cool. Should be up and running. Should be able to have root SSH access. Okay. That's starting to make me feel like, is it me? No, okay. There we go. Yes, please. Cool. We've got SSH access one more time. What do I want to do? Well, I guess I'll get Caddy installed first things first. Let's do that. Oops. What am I missing? This part? Okay. Once I have that, then I can follow these instructions. Yes, please install everything. Thank you. Oh, let's go. All right. In the meantime, no. Wow. Okay, that should be easy enough. Once this is done installing. Whoa, okay. Up. Come on. Gonna go back to playing QWOP. Come on. Oh, shoot. I just hit a bunch of stuff that I don't know what I did. Awesome. Don't just press enter a whole bunch of times in a row. Note taken. That's fine though. We should be all right, I think. Did I already do this part? No, I did not. No, I didn't. Oh, here we go. Currently, restarting. Okay, we're gonna do everything. Sure, same as last time. Do I need to reboot? Cool. Next thing is this line. And then this line. And then change the music because this ain't doing it for me. Burp, burp. There we go. And back to here. And back to here. Okay. Cool. We got a caddy version. Awesome. Next thing is I need to, don't need that anymore. Let's look at the install instructions. We are down to here. Okay. I need this exact same command, but I also need to allow from 22 because that's how I would SSH in. So now we can see the status of this firewall thing. Inactive. That may actually be okay. Well, right now I'm allowing access from everywhere, which may also be okay. So let's keep going. Let's go here. We're going to make this folder. We're going to call it, at battle banners.austingill.com. And then, yep, we're going to do the same thing into battle-banners.austingill.com. Actually didn't need to do that, but that's okay. Then we need to edit the caddy file, sudo nano /ets/caddy file, and we can go down. Need to change this to banners.austingill.com. Oops. And then we are not doing this file. We are sharing from something like this. /, battle dash banners dot austingill.com. I think we can leave that as is. Cool. Then we can restart Caddy. Or I guess start Caddy. Check the status, see that it's up. Looks like it's up. Great. Q to quit. And next thing I need to do is actually copy the files from my local computer to my remote server. So that's the files I want. We're going to exit that. We're going to put that up on the screen, and then I'm going to move copy from the dist, please, battle banners dist. What? Oh, yeah, duh. I want to do the dist folder. Just dist, please. And we're going to do root at, and we'll copy this and colon, and then the path to my target folder there. The colon got deleted. No, it did not. It just got moved. Okay, that looks good. Oops. That should be root. Root. And I should not have to put in a password. Cool. Everything's being copied over. Probably would have been faster with a tar file. Yeah, this might take a little while. Awesome. Well, I don't know how long this is going to take. But I think there's like 1,000 Pokemon, so yeah. And these are all the Pokemon cries, which is awesome. Oh, is that it? I clicked something and now it stopped. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Oh, no, it's still gone. Okay, so when I click it just like stops, but if I enter, then it looks like we're still going. Cool. We've done all of the sound effects. Now we're moving on to the images. At least the music's good. Okay. So with that going, let's see if I have battle banners.austingill.com. And I think this actually probably won't work because those files aren't fully there. And this should be gone now because, well, yeah, it thinks it's still there, but actually need to delete that. Burp. Cool. DNS entry is gone. That's not going to work anymore. Don't need to worry about that. That still needs some time. No, I know what the problem is here. I need to update my IP address. There we go. Okay, IP address is updated for this. See if we get anything different. Probably not. That's the same. Probably don't need both of them going. And let's see. We're still working on this. Still working on that secure copy. Tarball would have been a lot better. Oh boy. I should probably go and grab a drink or something. Okay, we're still going. We are still copying files. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This was a mistake. Next time, I will be sure to SCP folder as tar. Let's see, you would do SSH to do tar. Well, it becomes obvious, at least when you see it. You really weren't far off. Okay. That would go to, that's how you download. I want to upload. Tar that, pipe it to. That would have been good. Anyway, we should be nearing the end. There we go. Cool. So let's go ls. I want to go to, no, I want to SSH into my machine. And that is where Battle Banners lives. So are the files there? Fingers crossed. Doesn't look like it. Cool. So let's go here and let's do ls var www html and battlebanners.com. Okay. That's the problem. Yeah. I want to move var www html battle banners Austin Guild dist to var www html battle banners. Right. I want to move everything inside of there up. So then we can list it, and we've got everything, and we can do the same thing, index.html, and awesome. That's what we want. That should be it. Do I need to restart the Caddy service, though? Or do I need to do this firewall thing? Good question. You may need to adjust Windows. No. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's Caddy file. I think I'm doing that just fine. Yeah. My common task of reverse proxy, don't need to do, or serve PHP, don't need to do that. Okay, so the only other thing I can think of is this firewall rule. Where we copy that, paste it, also allow port 22, and then enable it. Sudo ufw enable. Okay, let's make sure we can get back in. Yes, excellent. Let's see if we got our connection working. Still no. Okay. Let's try. Last thing I can think of is restarting Caddy. Okay. 10-minute tax running 6 seconds ago. Okay. That's as far as I can think that we need to do. Ha! Look at that. And we've got it up and running. Super cool. Okay. I think that's it. This is now available on the public internet. Maybe should have like bumped this up a little bit, but yeah, whatever. Okay, sure. Cool. Pretty happy with that. All right. Cool. Yeah, that may be as far as I need to take this today because got it working just fine. Surprisingly. Oh, no. Hold on. My opponent is Gar. There we go. Cool. Yeah, I have some things that I'm going to need to get to. So I think that's going to be it today. A little bit of a short one, a little bit of a different one, but that's what it is. And maybe we'll come back and like work on this one too a bit. But yep, I'm gonna call it today. Got to the end of what I wanted to do and worked fine mostly. All right. Well, thanks for everyone that was on the stream, and I will catch you next time.